10 times 12 equals? Answer is 120. What is the prime factorization of 45? Answer is 3 times 3 times 5. 29 plus minus 10 equals? Answer is 19. 5 superscript 3 equals? Answer is 125. Minus 8 times 1 equals? Answer is minus 8. 1 times minus 1 equals? Answer is minus 1. What is the LCM of 9 and 9? Answer is 9. What is the GCF of 67 and 39? Answer is 1. Is 87 prime or composite? Answer is composite. 8 times 2 equals? Answer is 16. Square root 256 equals? Answer is 16. 14 superscript 2 equals? Answer is 196. 4 squared equals? Answer is 16. 17 superscript 2 equals? Answer is 289. 7 superscript 2 equals? Answer is 49. Minus 45 divided by minus 5 equals? Answer is 9. 12 times minus 4 equals? Answer is minus 48. Minus 15 plus minus 30 equals? Answer is minus 45. What is the LCM of 11 and 3? Answer is 33. 17 plus minus 3 equals? Answer is 14.